Skelesteve.
Oh, we're doing this now, huh? Well, welcome to the Skelesteve channel. I'm your host, Steve. Hey there, hello there, everybody. So today's video is an unboxing video. That's right. I got a special package from a special someone. That person being a motovlogger named Bikes, Beards, and Brew. So Ben, several weeks ago, maybe a month ago, hit his 1,000 subscriber. Congratulations. And he decided to do a subscriber giveaway. And Ben has the same thing that I do. Those giveaways, they're dumb. So what he decided to do is have a dumb giveaway as well. So he had his giveaway tie into his What Grinds My Gears video. So they were silly gifts he got, hilarious, and he decided to do 3 winners. You can check each video out. I will post them at the top there. So there was one that when he made the announcement, and then there was a second one when he did the giveaway. So he put our names on the wheels. All the people that answered his that said the secret passcodes or whatever it was, I can't remember. I think one of them you had to type a comment saying my favorite color is clear and my favorite flavor is window. So I did my favorite flavor is window. So I commented that, he put my name in the wheel, he spun this wheel, and mine was the first one to pop up, and what I got was a package from Ben himself, and let's see what it is. Some of you, actually almost all of you, know what it is. Oh, great man. Hopefully I didn't destroy it. Uh-oh. What is it? Oh, there it is. Wow, it is a blow-up doll. Hoo-hoo-hoo. Let's see her. I'm going to name you a typical name, porn name. You are going to be Misty. Ooh, more. What did he give me in here? Let's see what's in this little envelope. I feel like this envelope would be more important. Oh man, that's awesome. Gave me some swag there. Nice. And bottle opener that is going on my bike keychain set. Take a look at that again. That is pretty sweet. Here's this sticker. 2 stickers, his logo sticker and a What Grinds My Gears. Those videos are so funny. They are so freaking hilarious. I give it to him, man. He deserves more than 1,000 subscribers. I tell you, he's put out great content. And finally, Misty. Misty the Mouse. All right. Figured I'd have to know how to do this. Struggling. Oh wow. Alright. Let's blow her up. Wow. Look at her.
What the hell is that?
Damn it! I told you you were replaced!
What the hell, Steve? This is my apartment.
Alright, guys. Sorry about that, but look at her. Look at the cans on this one, eh? Mouth action and everything. Wow. The things you can do to this one. Right, Misty? Oh, yes, Skelesteve. You're the most handsomest man in the world. Yeah. No, not here. This isn't the place. Later. But first, we're gonna show you what she looks like as my new riding partner. Ready to sit, bitch? Yeah, I'll do anything for you, Skelesteve. No! This is not the appropriate place, okay? This is YouTube, not Pornhub. Anyways, let's see what she looks like on the back of my bike. Alright, so if you want to know what happened and why Missy deflated back there, she asked me, am I perfect? Told her, almost. You just don't have a butt. Sorry, there's no ass on you, you're flat. You got tits, a pretty face with a nice mouth on it, but you don't got an ass. And she cried when I said that. And I was being brutally honest. I know you're not supposed to be honest, but I told her the truth, and she deflated and fell on the ground. And I was like to her, hey, come on, I'm sorry. She sat there crying like, no, leave me alone. So I just rode away, left her on the side, never to see her again. We were taking pictures. We found like this nice little like empty street. They're building new houses. We're like picking plots of land to buy from. Like, hey, we can buy this plot right here, build a nice little house, you know, have a nice fenced in yard. We were so happy. We were taking pictures, like we were just excited. It was like, you know, it was kind of like also like taking pictures and planning out like for like wedding pictures and stuff. And I just made that comment to her and it didn't go out, so sorry. Easy come, easy go, guys. But anyways, this is where I leave off. Make sure you guys like this video as always. Comment, share it, subscribe, and when you subscribe, don't forget to ring that guardian bell. Alright, it was fun as always. Skelesteve out.